Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Tesla Model Y wheel covers. This process is straightforward and can be done quickly with just a few basic items. We'll cover everything from preparing your vehicle to the actual removal technique, ensuring you protect your wheels throughout. You'll learn the only way to safely take off these covers, making future wheel maintenance much easier. Let's get started. Before you begin, always ensure your Tesla Model Y is parked securely on a level surface. Safety first, you'll need just a couple of items: a soft cloth, like a microfiber towel, and a plastic trim removal tool. If you don't have a trim tool, a flathead screwdriver can work, but make sure to wrap its tip in the cloth to prevent any accidental scratches to your wheel or cover. This preparation takes less than 1 minute. Now for the main event. Look closely at the edge of your wheel cover. You'll find a small notch. This is your starting point. Carefully insert your wrap trim tool or screwdriver into this notch. With gentle, steady outward pressure, begin to pry the cover away from the wheel. You'll hear the clips disengage. Work your way around the entire cover, slowly releasing each clip until the cover comes completely free. It should take about 30 seconds per wheel. Once the cover is off, take a moment to inspect both the wheel and the cover for any dirt or damage. It's a great time to clean them. When you're ready to reinstall, simply align the wheel cover with the valve stem on your wheel. This ensures proper orientation. Then, starting from the center, press firmly and evenly around the cover's edge until you hear all the clips snap back into place. This secure fit is crucial for driving. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.